Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In previous video, we deal in the development of our Spring Batch application. Okay, let's start. Okay, what we'll do first create a table database, Oracle database. You can create table using SQL developer and you can also create table in SQL command line. Okay, you can create here also, but I preferring SQL developer because is user friendly. Okay, so let's create a table, new table name, given the table batch employee batch employee batch employee. Okay, batch employee info. I'm the applying primary key. First key is what? First key is emp and empno is what? Number type, size is 20. Okay, okay. Then next is mm, e name care to. Yes, I'm giving the size to 40. Okay, then what? Name address is worker 20. Okay, next is what? My sal salary 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 is what type? This is float type. Okay, then what? Gross salary, uh, salary. Okay, gross salary also float type. Okay, next one more is what? And net net salary, and this is what type? This is also float type. Okay, just the table, get the table. Yes, batch employee table is ready. Yeah. Okay, this is why cost underscore salary. Cost salary, net salary, limited. Okay, enough. Okay, let's go to my Java clips. Here is my project. Okay, first what we'll do, I will develop a employee. Okay, model class. I create a model class. Okay, create a model class, and uh, I'm not implementing serializable because I need this model class object data in my project. So I didn't serialize. If this model data you want in another project, then you implement serializable. Okay. Next is I am using Lambok API. Here at the rate data. Okay. If I use at the rate data, see, this is my Lambok. Okay. if I use at the rate data, okay, what will happen, I will show you. Okay, first is private. I am taking wrapper type. Okay, integer. Okay. Hmm, okay, integer, emp no. Why I will take integer type means, okay, uh, if I take int type, then it will store 0. Okay, if I didn't initialize anything to empno, then it stores 0. Because my data is having some 0, if I put 0 here, then record will be inserted. Okay, so this is a loophole of our my project. So if I take integer type wrapper type, then it will empno is storing null. If you want to insert null into my database, then it will give me warning or error. Okay, then next is what, private string e name. Okay, then next is what, private string private string address, address employee address. Okay, then next is what, we have float. Okay, next, private 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 float salary. Okay, private float. Then what, private float gross salary. Then what, net salary. Okay, say if I save it, it will generate, see here, see my employee dot class file, it will generate equals method, a constructor also, and what, say getters and setters has code to string, all these created dynamically. Okay, so to burden of my compiler is less. So if I use at the rate data Lombok API, it didn't need to create here my getters to string method here. Okay, it is automatically created. See, also see here, I is created. Okay, leave it. Okay, hope you got it. Okay, why I implement Lombok API in my project. Okay, so next is my model class is ready. Then let's go to my listener. Okay, job listener. Okay. Actually listener, I'm copying from the previous project because listener is no change. Okay, listener is no change. What we previous use, that we will use in this project also. Okay, same. Why we use job listener means we are what. Hmm. Okay. Why use job monitoring listener, which is implementing job execution later, means we are means monitoring the jobs, the tasks, oh, jobs and steps, when it will go started or not started, how many time it's taken, all the we will monitoring using this. Okay, wait. Okay, next is what, we completed listener, we completed model class. Then what, we'll go to our processor. Okay, um okay, let's go to move to our processor. Okay, here I'll create a class, new class is the class employee. Okay, employee, employee info, employee info item processor, processor, which implements what item processor, which implements item processor. Be careful, use this. Okay, don't use javax.batch API. Okay, use spring related. Okay, where is the what is the input type? Input type is my employee type. Okay, employee model class object type. And the output object also I need employee type only. Okay, employee. Okay, finish. Okay, this is employee type, employee item. Yes, so what we'll calculate here means we will calculate if the employee details salaries are there. Okay, we will calculate if the employee salary less than 50,000. Okay, sorry, greater than 50,000, I will add to my database table. Okay, means in 1,000 records, whoever the employee having greater than 50,000, greater than 50,000 or equal to 50,000, then I will add that employee to my database table. Okay, I didn't add all those employee. Okay, I will employ that. Okay, okay, in the processor let's write our logic. Okay, if 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 condition, if my emp, this employee is a given item, I'm changing to emp. If emp dot get salary, get salary, okay, get salary is greater than or is equal to 50,000. Okay, 1,000. What you will do then, you will run the code. Okay, then in this in this if condition we will calculate gross salary. emp emp dot set gross salary. See, set gross salary. What is the gross salary? I will calculate the gross salary. Okay, means I will calculate the gross salary means our current salary plus plus our current salary into 0.4f. Okay, okay. You will find gross salary, gross, how to calculate gross salary formula you can find and implement here. Okay, how will that? I will use math class, math dot round. Okay, math dot round. What is the um, emp dot dot get salary plus emp dot get salary, salary into what, 0.4. Mm, okay, Head dot round emp dot get salary. Okay, see. Next is what? Emp dot net salary. Emp dot set net salary is equal to math dot math dot round. Okay, math dot round. Hmm, dot round. Emp dot get gross salary minus uh, emp dot get gross salary. Okay, gross salary into 0.2 f. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's return here what? Return our emp employee, and else what? Else return null. Okay, else return null. Then what will do? Our processor ready. Let's go to our batch config. Okay, let's move to our configuration. Okay, then lastly we'll develop our runner. Okay, here new class. New class is the class name batch config. Okay, batch config. Okay, may wait processor, let me do at the rate. Let me make as a spring bean here. Okay, at the rate component paste processor e processor. Okay, let's go to job monitoring also the let's go. Let's develop our batch config. What we need job factory, we need step factory. So create my job factory means job builder factory. First I have to make it as a at the rate configuration. Configuration, then I have then enable batch processing. Okay, enable batch processing. What we need private private our job builder factory, job builder factory, job factory. Okay, factory, and at the rate auto wide. Okay, then what we need step builder factory, then what step factory, factory, then we need what? We need listener. Okay, what is the listener? Job job monitoring. Okay, okay, job monitoring listener. Then what I need processor. What the processor? Employee deploy info item processor is a uh, okay. Okay. Then we need another one. What is that? We need data source. Okay, we need we need data source. Private data source. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay, we need what data source? Yes. Okay. Then we create our uh, we need what I have to create the reader. Okay, what I told you in that our background preparation we'll use for reader is flat file item reader. Okay. Okay, let's at the rate bean. Okay, bean, uh, what is the name is bin name is what? Mm, flat file item reader. Okay, flat file item reader. Okay, what is the method name? Method name is uh, public public uh, flat flat file item flat file item reader. Flat file item reader. Okay, flat file item reader, the type employee. Okay, employee. Okay, employee. Create 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 a flat file item. This is the method. Okay, in that method firstly what we'll do, we'll create reader object. We'll create reader object. I will create the reader object. Flat file item reader employee. Okay, file item reader employee reader is equal to what? New flat file item reader. Okay, done. Then next what? Next we our set our csv file. Okay, file location. Okay, as a resource we will set. I will set reader dot reader dot set resource. Set resource, there will set the resource. Okay, then I will set new. Okay, new, there is a called our class path resource. Class path resource, what is the path? Path is um, Okay, that resource. Okay, we got the resource here. Okay, okay. Next what? Hmm. Next default. We will create mapper object. To write mm, create line mapper object. Create line mapper object. Okay, to like to each line from CSV file, to read each line from this file. So how to create a line mapper? Hmm, there is a default line mapper. I told you that. Okay, default line default line mapper. What is the type? Generic type is employee. Okay, then what we'll do? Line line mapper is equal to our new default line. New default. Then what? We created our line mapper. Then we create line tokenizer. Okay. Then we create line token. A token nine. Okay. Line tokenizer. I will create our line tokenizer. I will means I have to separate. So I will show to daily mm, daily daily mm, 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 delimited line tokenizer. Delimited line tokenizer. Okay, token equal to n is equal to new delimited line tokenizer. Okay, then what? Token dot our set delimiter. What is the delimiter? I'm setting comma. Okay, then what? Then token dot we set the delimiter, set the names. Okay, name. Set names. What is the name? Is emp eno, right? em emp eno, ename, address. Okay, emp no, then what? Then is ename. Okay, then emp no, ename, then what address address, then salary. Okay, salary. Okay, next what? Hmm. Next will create EEMPN. Oh, sorry. EMPN. Edit salary. We want. Okay. Okay. Then then create our what field set field set mapper. Okay, mapper to set the tokens to our model class object. Okay, like then what is that? Told you that bean in wrapper field set mapper. Okay, in wrapper field set map. Okay, so what is the type and type? Okay, okay, can we fine. Then what field set mapper. Okay, field set map is equal to new in wrapper field set mapper employee. Done. Next what? Field 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 set mapper dot set or target. Okay. Set the target type is class type is what type employee dot class. Okay, then we set it that then we will will set tokenizer. Okay, we'll set tokenizer tokenizer, then what our field set mapper. Okay, object object to our line map. Okay, I will set line mapper. Okay, line mapper dot set set field set mapper. Okay, field set mapper is field set mapper, then uh, line mapper dot set line tokenizer token. We set it that. Then what we'll do, then we'll set line mapper object to reader. Okay, I will set reader dot set mapper line mapper line mapper. Okay, then lastly what we will do, we will return uh, will return our reader. Okay, okay. Then We completed our reader kind of things. Then what we will do, um, reader work done. Then what, my writer work. Okay. At the rate bin, okay, at the rate bin. Oh, what is that? Name is equal to our JDBC batch item writer. Okay. JDBC batch item, mm, JDBC batch item writer. Okay. JDBC batch item writer. Then what is the class? Public. I need what? JDBC batch, JDBC batch item writer. Okay. JDBC batch item writer. Create what? Create my JDBC page item writer. The method name is this. Okay. Next is, first we will create the JDBC item writer object. Okay. We'll create it a writer object. Okay. I will create a writer object. Okay. I will create JDBC batch item writer. Okay. Employee writer is equal to new JDBC base item writer. Okay, we created. Then we will set the data source. We'll set um, data source. Okay, I will set the data source. Okay. writer dot set data source. Set data source. ds. Yes, I stated that data source. Okay. Then what we will, our set our insert SQL query, insert SQL query with named params. Okay, named params. Let's write. Okay, write dot writer dot what is that? Set SQL. Yes, set SQL. Let's write the query here. Insert. Okay, next project onwards I will use Spring Data API to create my SQL queries, all those things. Okay, here I create manually. Okay, insert into my what is the table name? Info batch employee info values. Okay, values. I will write our named parameter empno, comma, then what empno is there, then ename what address, then what address, then ename address salary. Salary. Okay, salary. Next what? my gross salary. Okay. First I will, okay, 1 minute. Hmm. It should be maths, right? Okay. Otherwise, it will error. Okay. Gross salary. Okay. All okay. GR versus gross. Okay. Okay. Then what? Then is our net salary. Net salary. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. We write the SQL queries. Then what? Will um, will create will create our bin property IQL parameter property item parameters. So about, okay, let me create here bin property SQL parameter source yes, control C. Okay. Okay, provider object. Okay, what is the generic type? Employee. And is what? Source provider. Okay, source provider is equal to what? Our new new oh, got it. Then next what? Next thing is we will set our source provider object. Source provider object. Okay, to writer object. Okay, so how will set writer dot set item SQL parameters source. See, set item is source provider. Okay, source provider we set it here. Okay, then we will return my writer. Okay. Okay, we did it. Okay, let's create my step here. Okay, first at the rate bean what is that? At the rate bean name is what? Okay, name is equal to what? Step 1. Okay, name is equal to step 1. Let's what? Public step. Okay, public step create step. Okay, we'll create the step. um Create step, first step. Okay, then what will return? will return. What? Okay. Yeah, step create. Okay, let's move. What is that? Public step, create step. Okay. Okay, will return what step, step factory, step factory dot get the step one, step one. Okay, get the step one. Then what? Then dot. We get the step. Then what? We'll set the chunk size. Okay. First is employee, then another also is employee, and then what? My chunk is what? I'm giving some 5 records at a time. Okay. Then dot what we will my reader my reader is what? uh, Create fff my reader. Okay. Then what? Dot my process processor. What is my processor? E process. Okay. E processor. Then what? My writer. Okay. What is the writer? Writer is create writer. Okay. Create writer. Then lastly what? Dot build method. Like this. Oh, oh, that right. Okay. Okay. My step is ready. Then let's build my job. Okay. Control C here. Okay. Control V. What is that? My job. Job one. Okay. Then what is the type is my job type. Okay. Then create. Then create job. Okay. Then create job one. Okay. Then what we will do? We will return. Will return my job factory dot get what my job one. Job one. Okay. mm, okay, we'll get my job one dot my uh, listener is what? Listener. Okay. Then I will want my listener. Yes. Then sorry incrementer is what? New run id incrementer. Okay. Then dot what? Dot dot st. job factory dot mm, mm, incrementer dot okay, start okay. Let me check my previous example. Okay, I'm a bit confusing. uh, mm, okay. Job factory dot incrementer listener. Okay. Yeah. Control X. I'm pasting here. Okay. Dot dot dot. This is not. Ah. It, okay. Start my create step one. Okay. Then dot build. Okay. Dot build. Dot build. Yes. Builder. Okay. We completed my batch configuration. Then let's move to our uh, runner class. Okay, this is not okay. Hmm. Okay. uh, net salary gross salary I have to change here also, right? Okay, control S. Let's move to my batch where it is wrong. I am not seeing there. There is the error. Batch configured okay. Let's move to our runner. In that runner I am creating runner class. What is the class? Class is batch batch test runner. Okay, batch test runner, which is implements my command line runner. Okay, let's finish it. Okay. Okay. I am making a spring bean at the rate component. Okay. First, what I need a job launcher object. Okay. At the rate auto void I need what? Private job. job launcher. Okay, a launcher, I need that, and I need my job object also. Okay, auto void, I need private job. Okay, job. Okay, then what I need? Hmm. Then I will create here what I will create job job parameters. Okay, what is the job parameters I need? Job parameters. Job parameter. uh, Job parameters. Okay. Params is equal to new what? Job parameters. Job parameters. Params is equal to new what? New job parameter. I need new job. New job parameter builder is there. Okay, builder I need. Okay, first what I need, parameter builder, then I dot add long. What is the key? I'm giving some random run id. Okay, run that as your choice. What you write is not anything related. Okay, run id, I'm giving some random non id. I will give new random class. I will use random class dot next next long. Okay, next long of, I'm giving some thousand. Okay, dot to job parameters. Okay, we struggle that in my previous project. Okay, finally I got some research on that. I solved this thing. Okay. Then next is what? uh, run the run the job. Okay, let's run the job. I will run the job. There is a job execute job execution is equal to uh, launcher dot mm, launcher dot run. This is job, this is params. Okay, done. Mm, mm, mm. That's it. This implements some other execution. Wow, it. I need this. Okay. Mm, okay. Then what? I'm printing something. Okay. What I will print? I will print job execution status. Okay, what is the job execution status is there. We will print what is the execution status. I will print plus uh, execution dot get exit status. Okay, we will get the exit status here. Okay, we completed that. Okay, let's go to my main class. Okay, let's run the application. Let's see how many errors came. Okay, okay, Spring Boot application is started. Okay, constructor is executed. Hickory data source also executed. Okay, so repository factory game is a simple job launcher created. Okay, tabular view does not exist. Okay. Mm-hmm. Bad SQL grammar. We write some. Okay, let's see what's wrong. That's config. Okay, I will remove this. I will remove this. Okay, in what? In processor also. I will remove this. Mm, I remove this. Okay, I remove this. Mm, this is what EMPNO. Wow, nice. We see the error here. Gross salary. Okay. Gross salary. Let's move to here. Here I will remove my gross salary, net salary. Control S, Control S. EMPNO, E name, E address, salary, gross salary, net salary. Okay. Insert into batch underscore employee info values. Insert into batch info values. Yes, SQL query is fine. Okay, let's go here. Okay, edit. I will edit here to gross salary. EMPNO, E name, E address. Okay, EMPNO, E name, E address. EMPNO, E name, E address. Yes. Let me run my application again. Okay. Manage a Java application. Let's see. Table or view does not Okay, this is table or view does not exist, it's showing. Okay, we will solve that error in next video. Okay, that's all for the video. Okay, actually time is exceeding. Okay, thank you.